Hi, welcome to another episode of the Modern Blaze Show. I'm your host, Anastasia Vankova, and today I'm going to answer one of your questions. The question is, can you replace the media, which is the logs or the crystals of an electric fireplace after its installation? The answer is yes, and in this video you will learn exactly how to do it quickly, easily, and it will help you upgrade the look of your fireplace.
The Modern Blaze Show.
First of all, if you're new to electric fireplaces, all of them come with media. Media is decorative things that sit in front of the fire. It can be logs, it can be glass crystals, pebbles, you name it. You can literally put anything in there as long as it fits between the glass and that flame display. Now, not too many people know that you can actually replace that media after you had the fireplace installed. So that is a nice feature because you can upgrade the look of your fireplace and change it with the seasons after you already had it installed. In most electric fireplaces, you will just have to remove that front trim, that frame, if it comes with it, and then the glass will be easy to take out, and then the media will be easily accessible, so you can take it out, put something new in. In some fireplaces that don't have that trim, there will be another way to access the glass. You will most likely have to unscrew the holding strip up top or on the sides and then take it out. Some models have even easier way to open it. The glass will have a magnetic closure, so you can easily access it at any time without having to unscrew anything. So these models are very nice, and I will definitely make sure to find a list of them and link them down below so you guys can check them out if changing the media is something that you think you will do frequently. And yeah, this is a short video, like I said, to just simply answer your question. So yes, you can change the media of any electric fireplace after the installation, before the installation, and it is definitely a great feature to keep in mind if you would like to change the look and feel of your fireplace. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
The Modern Blaze Show.